Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Nutella rolls with bread. First, gather your simple ingredients. About 8 slices of white or whole wheat bread, 1 jar of creamy Nutella, and 1 egg. You will also need a rolling pin, a sharp knife, and a baking sheet. Preparing your workspace efficiently will make the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the bread. Begin by carefully trimming the crusts from each of your bread slices. This helps create a softer roll. Next, use a rolling pin to flatten each slice of bread as thinly as possible, making it pliable. Then, spread approximately 1 tablespoon of rich Nutella evenly across the entire surface of each flattened bread slice. With the Nutella spread, it's time to form the rolls. Gently roll each Nutella-covered bread slice into a tight log shape, starting from one end. In a small bowl, whisk 1 egg to create an egg wash. This will act as your sealant. Dip the open edges of each rolled bread log into the egg wash to securely seal them, preventing any filling from escaping during baking. Finally, let's cook these delightful treats. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the sealed Nutella rolls on a baking sheet and bake them for about 10 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become slightly crispy. Serve your warm Nutella rolls immediately, perhaps with a dusting of powdered sugar, for a truly irresistible snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.